Hi, good morning everyone. This is a place where we stopped yesterday. Inside dictionary, again dictionary we can keep, right? Inside dictionary, list also we can keep, right? Inside dictionary, again dictionary we can keep. Inside dictionary, list also we can keep, right? But in the key place, try to remember, in the key place, some limitations because key is the hashing, right, mapping one, right? If more people are there, it may trouble. So try to avoid groups like list, dictionary, because hashing becomes difficult. That's what we discussed in the last class. Let's write the today's class. Let's write the today's date. Let's write today's date. Today's date is, what is the today's date? Let me check today's date. 7th, right? Today's date is 7th. Let me write the today's date. First of all, good morning everyone. So let me write now. It is going to be 7 5 26. 7 5 26. In the last class, we seen the dictionaries, right? So some more things are pending in the dictionary. So we'll do that also. Some more small things are pending. Let me do that small stuff also. Yeah, we didn't done that, so we'll do now. We'll do now. Careful everyone. Yeah, see this. I'm writing. Today's class is started now. Today's class is started now. So dictionary D goes to, be careful this problem. Some key, column, some value. You can keep whatever you want. So I'm keeping this. Next, key 1, column, value 1. Okay. This is the initial dictionary. This is the initial dictionary. Now, D of 1 is equal to 2. D of 2 is equal to 3. D of key is equal to change. Some changes. Okay, that's okay. So same key already there. Same key already there. How can you keep again? It will overwrite. Don't worry. It will overwrite. It will overwrite. These two people are new people. These two people are new people. So it will overwrite. Until now, everyone know this. Until now, everyone know this. Now see one more thing. One more thing. Dictionary E goes to, dictionary E goes to, let me write, 1 cross 2, 1 colon 2, 10.5, colon high, uh, nest, colon, key value, something you can write whatever you want, no objection, comma, key 1, colon, value 1. So D is one dictionary, E also one more dictionary, E also one more dictionary, right? So until now everything is fine. Now see once. Now from now onwards, be careful. Printf statements are coming. Print 1 comma D dot keys. Print 2 comma E dot keys. Print comma d dot values print 4 comma e dot values. So these are the things. This is the problem. Can you go ahead? These four printfs, what they will print? Can you go ahead? Everyone try this. This is the problem. Everyone try. I request everyone, please try. Try. What is the answer? There are four printfs are there. Please try to give answer. Four printfs. Try to give answer. So d dot keys. Listen now. D dot key. D dictionary keys will be printed. D dictionary keys will be printed. Remember everyone, D dictionary keys will be printed. So how they are printing? See this one. How they are printing? See carefully everyone. Dictionary D keys will be printed. How they are printed? If you see the screen, on the screen you are able to see this. Print to D dot keys. So one will be printed as usual. This is for our convenience. One will be printed as usual. That is for our convenience. See, dictionary keys will be printed like this. See this one. They will be printed like this. Everyone understand? They will be printed like this. Dictionary D. So key, all keys. Key 1. And you added also, right? 1 and 2 also you added. Keys only. 1 and 2. Like this it will be printed. Dictionary D, all the keys will be printed. This one. Keys means first part. This one. These 4 will be printed. Similar way for the E also. Similar way for the E also. Go to the E. E dictionary, all the keys. So 1 will be printed. 10.5 will be printed. Next will be printed. That is also fine. So, right? So remember keys. D dot keys means dictionary D, all keys will be printed. E dot key means dictionary D, dictionary E, all keys will be printed. Now, in the similar way, values also. All values will be printed. 3, if you observe clearly here, in the first one, this is the value. In the second one, this is the value. In the third one, this is the value. In the fourth one, this is the value. Same way E also. All the values. I think this one, this. So let's see this one. First 2 will be printed. Next high will be printed. Next to this total dictionary once again printed. Key value, comma, key 1, column value 1. So these are the things. Check one time. So remember, very simple here. Keys means keys will be printed. D dot keys means keys will be printed. E dot keys means keys will be printed. D dot values means values printed. Remember, in the form of list. In the form of list, it will print. In the form of list, it will print. So if you have small doubt also, write the code and verify. Small doubt also there. Write the code and verify. Right? Little doubt also there. Write small code, you write and execute it. Now let's go here. Let's go here. So I also executed. I given the numbers. Please verify one time. Please verify one time. Right. Now let's go to one more problem. I'm thinking you are comfortable. You are comfortable. So let me write one small note. Let me write. One note is there. Let me write it. Note. Dictionary is mutable. You know very well. Dictionary is mutable. And the order won't be preserved. Version to version, order may change. This point everyone knows this. This point everyone knows, right? Two, there is a data type called none. Data type. None data type. This will be useful to you. So just take care this also. None data type. Like integer data type. Carry, right? Float data type. So there is a none data type also. In the data types, you will see none also. What it is. It is not important. It's better to have it, right? Let me write now. None means at anywhere none data type is coming means none means nothing. None means nothing or no value associated. Or no value associated. If the value is not available, then to handle such cases, none is introduced. Right? So this one is for your convenience I written. No one will ask you for your convenience I written. Please can you take this also? None means nothing or no value associated. If the value is not available, suppose some point of time, value is not there, you are accessing type of it. It will come as none. There is no value, but you are trying to access and you are trying to print something like what is the type. Then it will, because of value is not available, right? Because of value is not available, right? It may print the type as none. It may print type as none. To handle such cases, right, in Python we introduced the none data type. We introduced the none data type. Please careful. Dictionary is mutable. Order won't be preserved. Be careful. Because when you insert the first member, first data, second data, any order may can come. Most of the time it is coming right. You may feel that lastly it will be added. You may feel that, but however, order no guarantee. Order no guarantee. So these functions, please careful. In the dictionary, these functions careful. Very simple. Keys will give keys. Values will give values. In the form of list it will give. In the form of list it will give. In the form of list it will give. Let's be careful. Now we can move to the next problem. Be careful. Next problem. In the next problem you can learn something. So let's take. This problem also interesting. You can write this. Dictionary D goes to, say whatever you want you can write. Key colon value. Key colon value. Key 1 colon value 1. You can write however you can write whatever you wish. So I took some values. Then E is equal to, be careful, 1 colon 2, 10 colon 5, otherwise my intention is 10.5. 10.5 colon high. Some dictionary, be careful, some data I am writing. Next one. Next to column inside key colon value, comma, key 1 colon value 1. In this problem, what you can learn, we'll see. Yeah. So two dictionaries I took. Dictionary D, dictionary E. Two dictionaries I took. Dictionary D, dictionary E I took. And right, so be careful everyone. Now see this one. Print, careful everyone, print 1 comma D dot items. Keys means keys will be printed. Keys means keys will be printed. Values means values will be printed. So what it will print, we'll see that. Next one, print 2 comma D. D means I think total dictionary printed. Yesterday we printed also. Same way, print 3 comma E dot items. Print E. Till now I think you can handle little bit. So until now fine. Now see this one. D dot update. Careful. D dot update E. Print 5 comma D. Print 6 comma E. So this is the thing. What will be the output? Can you try? It's a very interesting problem. What is the output? Can you try? I request everyone, please try this. Everyone try. What is the output? I'm expecting answer from all the people. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Try everyone. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Try everyone. I am expecting answer from all of you. Try this. Let me know what is the answer. What is the answer you got? Please let me know, everyone, what is the answer you got. Comment in the comment section. Comment in the comment section. What is the answer? Yeah, let me give the answer. I given enough time to you. I given enough time to all the people. I given enough time to all the people. All the people I given enough time. Enough time I given. So let me give answer. I'm giving answer. Let me give answer here. Right? I'm giving answer. Right? So everyone can see this. Everyone can see this. And let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. I am sharing the screen also. Please see one time. I am sharing the screen also. Right? Now let me execute it. I will execute also, don't worry. I will execute also, don't worry. So let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Everyone observe here. I am giving answer. Right? I am giving answer. I executed also. So I will write one by one. I will write one by one. See the first printf. See the first printf. See the first printf. This is the second printf. This is the third printf. This is the fourth printf. This may be the fifth printf. This is the sixth printf. If anything is there, learn it. If anything is there, you please learn. So I think everyone know, right? D means D will be printed. How D will be printed? Let me check. Second one is simply D, print D. So how D will be printed? Remember, it is a dictionary. Dictionary will be printed with a curly bracket. Because a print D is a dictionary. Dictionary will be printed with a curly bracket. Right? So how it is printed? Key value. Because of these are string only. That's the one thing. And one more thing is key 1 value 1. It will be printed key 1 value 1. It is a dictionary, na? Dictionary only will be printed. Dictionary means what? Curly bracket. Like that it will be printed. Okay, fine. Remember, D means simply it is printed D as it is. See, D as it is will be printed. E means E as it is will be printed. E means E as it is will be printed. Right? Let me print E also. Same. 1 colon 2, comma, 10.5 colon high, comma. Just wait. Some nonsense going on. How? From where it is? Right? 1 column 2, 10.5 high. Next one is next column, one more dictionary. Inside dictionary, you can keep dictionary, you know very well. Inside dictionary, you can keep dictionary, you know very well, right? You know very well. So let's see, I think it is the fourth printf, right? Let's see the fourth printf, right? Dictionary as it is will be printed. What is there in that? Key, colon, value. Dictionary, nothing special. Next one, key 1, colon, value 1. So like that it is there. Dictionary is dictionary. So in 1 and 4, in first, second printf and fourth printf, there is no change. There is no change. But what the items will print? Remember, item is not a key. See this one. Item is not a key. D dot item. D dot keys will be printed in the form of list. D dot values will be printed in the form of list, not in the form of dictionary. Right? Remember. So what the items will print? D dot items will print, because of he didn't mention the key, he didn't mention the value, simply items. Remember, items means it will print. Key also, value also. Key also, value also printed. Key also, value also printed. Remember everyone, key also, value also printed. Be careful. Key also, value also printed. Be careful everyone. Key also, value also printed. So like this. Key value, like this. So I will write. It is also list only. Key values will be listed. See this one. Key, comma, value. It will do like this. Right? In between. Right? One more is there. Yeah. Key 1, comma, value 1. But understand one important thing, there is no column because these are items, right? In the form of pair, it will print. There is no column in between. It is a list. It is a list of tuples. This is called tuple. List of tuples or list of pairs. When you say dictionary, pairs only. So list of pairs, where every pair is a inside tuple. These brackets are for tuple purpose. These brackets are for tuple purpose. List of tuples. List of tuples. Y tuple, there is a function bracket. Y list 2, there is a square bracket. So here also same story. Here also same story. It is also list only. Right? So let's see the key value pair. What is the first one? 1, comma 2. If you want, you can keep the double quotes because these are strings. If you want, you can keep it. Okay, fine. Now see the e dot items. Now see this one. 1, comma 2, comma 10.5, comma high. Okay, comma next, comma key colon value, comma key 1 value. This is one pair, like this. Right? Remember items will list out items. I don't know, some notification is coming to me again and again. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, bhaiya. Some order came, I think. Yeah, so sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, some order maybe. It's coming like that. It's coming like that. Fine. So I hope everyone is fine till now. Any objection? Let me know. Sir, I have objection. Very simple. Items will list out all items. What is the item? So this is one item. This is one item. This is one item. Items will list out all items. Item is not key. Item is not value. Item is both, but separated by comma. So remember, items will list out, right, all the pairs in the form of tuples. Item is list of tuples. Item is a list of tuples. It is a list. See, it is a list. It is a list. Right? It is a list. Now come to, see this one. D dot update E. Remember, D is updating. D is updating. D dot update E. D is updating. D is updating. Right? So with the help of E, D is updating. With the help of E, D is updating. Finally, the updating person is. Finally, the updating person is D. Understand? Finally, the updating person is D. D updating. So I'm writing now. D updating. D updating with E. D updating with E. What it is exactly. So for that I given the printfs also. Can you see this one? Printf. Printf. Everyone listen. Printf D. How D printed? So I think D is a dictionary, na? Dictionary printing. Can you see this one? Dictionary printing. See everyone. Key colon value. That is one thing. Okay. Key 1 colon value 1. That is one more thing. Key colon value. Key 1, right? Key 1 colon value 1. So I think two things are there. But D updated with E. What are the E people? What are the E people? See this one. 1 colon 2. 10.5 colon high. Next one. Next column, whatever is there. Next column, whatever is there. So remember what I mean to say is, remember everyone, what I mean to say is, right, update one, what it will do is, beside D, E also kept. See, this is D story. This is E story. That is the meaning of updation here. D story or E story, both will be combined. It kept in the D. Update means with the E values, D will be updated. E will not be any change. E as it is, whatever because E is not updated. D updated. E will be as it is. What is that? 1 colon 2. 10.5 colon high. Next one. Next column. Right? Whatever is there. So you can write all. Be careful. So please be careful with the update function also. Please be careful with the update also. Update means very simple. You are updating D with E. E things also added at the end. Let me write now. I am writing, I think I can write, this is 6, no? 7. 7 I am writing. Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Everyone observe. D dot update with E is nothing but D is D values, D plus E. That's it. D things, right? Dictionary D, whatever is there. Dictionary D, whatever is there. Right? Assume that dictionary D having A dot B. Assume. Dictionary E having C colon D. Assume. So what it will do finally? It will make as a D which contain, it's almost like I can say concatenation kind of thing. It is almost like concatenation kind of thing. Update is nothing but concatenation. D contain A colon B. E contains C colon D. Now finally D will be updated to A dot B, C dot D. A colon B, C colon D. So please understand this. Okay, that is one thing. That is one thing. Now let's see one more. Be careful, everyone. Be careful, everyone. D dot update carefully. E assume. Now let us assume that. That means almost like concatenation. Everyone know. Assume here. It is assume 1 colon 2. It is assume 3 comma 4. Right? E if you observe. E if you observe. Let us assume. It is going to be. It is going to be. E is going to be 5 colon 6 comma 7 colon 8 comma 9 colon 10. Everyone listen. 9 colon 10. And one more thing, 3 colon 40. This also there. So now D updating, everyone observe. Now D updating. D people you write first. D people you write first. 1 colon 2. See this one. 1 colon 2. 3 colon 4. That is okay. Now see this one. E people also write 5 colon 6. 7 colon 8. 9 colon 10. That is okay. Now see this one. 3 colon 40. Everyone observe. 3 colon 40. 3 colon 40. With the 3 already we have one more. See. With the 3 already D having. With the 3 D also having key 3. E also having key 3. So you know very well. Right? With the recent one it will update. With the recent one, right? Old one only will update with the recent data. So this will update. How? 3 colon 40. It will update. So remember. So right to the D, E people will be added. To the D, E people will be added at the end. But however, if any key is repeating, existing key will be updated. So this is the updation. Updation means whatever extra things are there, it will be added at the end. Right? If any key repeating same, right, new values will be kept. This is the old value. This is the new value. New value will be updated. And the old value, new value will be replaced. So be careful. So the final answer is going to be 1 colon 2, 3 colon 40, 5 colon 6, 7 colon 8, 9 colon 10. It's the final answer. Update means something like concatenation. Update means something like concatenation. Right? Now if you want, you can see this also. See, I run also. See this one. I run also. Everyone observe. D. Right? D. This is the E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D. So E, if you see 11, 12, 13, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? Now print D. Print D. If you see the print D, D printed as it is. Okay? Print D, right? If you see the second printf, E also printed. If you see the third printf, can you see the third printf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? Now, if I update, let me try. It is not 13, 14, so 3, 14. So if you observe clearly, see the last one. Previously here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3, 4 there. 3, 4. Now 3, 14. Now 3, 14. Okay, that is also fine. And one more thing is, some people are asking, sir, after updation, after updation, de-updating, na? De-updating. So will it updating within the same or different? If you want, you can do that also. Let me try here. Same thing I am doing. Sir, after updation, is it updation happen in the same or different? Just 1 minute, nothing there. 3 printf. type of, not type, id na, id, address means id of a, not here, d, id of d. After update also I will do same thing. After update also I will do same thing. It is 4. For our convenience it is 5. So you also know very well, because of it is a mutable na, same, because of it is a mutable, same. I'm thinking it is same, you can verify once. So print, right, this one, all the things are done. So 5 id, see, before updation I am printing id of d, after updating also I am printing id of d. So in my opinion both will be same. So your concentration should be third printf and fifth printf. Your concentration should be third printf, fifth printf. See, I think 5920. This is also 5920 because it is mutable, na, same only. Because it is mutable, same only. Now, for your convenience, I will do one more thing. For your convenience, I will do one more thing. Can you see this also? Can you see this also? Can we see this also? For you, this is for your convenience only. It is a 6 assume. It is a 6 assume. It is a 7 assume. Okay. Print D, print E. D, okay. So what about D dot items? D dot items. What about E dot items? So as I mentioned to you, key value. So list of tuples will be printed. As I mentioned to you, list of tuples will be printed. So let's see if any error is there. If any error is there, right? No error. So let's check. D dictionary, right? Anything. Right, but if you see our story, D dot, can you see this? Can you see this one? E dot items, D dot items, right? Can you see this? Why it is printing like that? You will see. Method of item distinct objects. Address are printed. 6464. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. So can you see the 6th, 7th and 6th and 7th also? Can you see 6th and 7th also? Can you see 6th and 7th also? Let me check once. So this is the only mistake what you done, right? Just keep brackets because it is a function, bracket required. Nothing there. Because of it is a function, bracket required. Because of it is also function, bracket required. That is the reason it is not giving our desired output. Keep bracket, it is a function. It is a function. Now come back. Now see this. See everyone. In the D, sixth one is related to D. In the D, whatever keys are there and values are there. See, key value pair, key value pair, key value pair, like that. List of key value pairs. Why it is a list? See, from here. From here. It will return like this. Okay, fine. Same thing here also. List of key value, right? List of key value pairs. List of key value pairs. Some people are asking, sir, can I print dictionary? If you print, but normally, just I think dictionary as it is, curly bracket will be printed. Address, I feel everyone got it. I feel everyone got it. Let me know any objection till now. Let me know any objection till now. So remember, items is a function. So here I think I have to modify little bit. Items is a function. So bracket required. Item is a function. Bracket required. Right? Fine. I think, yeah. I feel that everyone got what I want to say. Everyone got it. D dot update. Update also a function. right? Says one. Items also a function. Next one, update also a function. Keys also a function, right? Values also a function, right? Be careful. Items also function, keys also function, update also function, values also function. Function means bracket required. Function means bracket. Yeah, I'm feeling that everyone is okay. Everyone will agree with me. Let me know, sir. These are the doubts, sir, which I have. Ready, sir? I have these doubts. I have. This is a very nice problem. It is taken some time. I executed also. I shown to you also. I executed also. I shown to you also. I executed also, I shown to you also, let me know. Inside dictionary allowed. Value place keep anything, but key place, be careful. Groups avoid. In the place of key, keeping groups allowed. Not right, try to avoid it. If you don't avoid, sometimes you make an error message because right mapping become hashing means mapping. Right? You cannot map. Mapping become difficult. Key place, don't keep the group, right? Value place, keep the group. Okay, I think everyone is fine now. Everyone is fine now. Now let's move to. Now let's move to. Now let's move to. So while doing update, let me write that. Just wait. Just wait. Just 1 minute. Right. Yeah, fine. So I think everything is okay. Now let's go to right. Let's go to everyone one small story. One small story there. Let's go to everyone that small story also. Right? So in my opinion, dictionary we done, you have to do more practice. All the models I covered. All the models I covered. So please be careful the functions, whatever I said. Right? All the models almost I covered. If anything there in the problems, definitely we will take care. So now write down the next story like escape characters. Next story, escape characters. Escape characters. It is not required, but anyhow, small story, right? So everyone know, right? Everyone know escape character, what is the use, right? So I think one is slash n, which will goes to new line. To slash tab, it may be useful while formatting the output, it may be useful. Slash t, horizontal tab. 3 slash r, carries return. Fourth one, backslash or backspace. Some space you want, backspace, some space you want, so you can go for that. Fine. 5 slash f form feed. Sixth one slash v vertical tab. Vertical tab. Okay, that's okay. Seventh one. Seventh one. Seventh one. I think it's not required maybe. Eighth one. Backslash symbol. Ninth one. Yeah. So what we'll do is, with the help of one example, we'll explain this. What are the changes? Right? With the help of one example, I will try. With the help of one example, I will try. So what I can do is, this one I can eliminate. So I'm writing the one small program. Can you give me some time? I'm giving the. I'm typing for to explain this. I'm typing print to explain these things. I'm typing print exam prep tool /n Python programming. Python enough, that is enough maybe. Python, that's fine. Right, that's fine. Python. So what is the effect? What is the output of this? Can you see this? Can you see the output? /n means next line, right? Next line. So for our convenience, I am printing this also. 1. Okay, that is everyone knows. Everyone know output is this. Everyone know output is this. Exam prep tool, right? Exam prep tool. In the next line, Python will be printed. That is absolutely fine. Everyone know this. Nothing special here, right? Only for your convenience, I am running this. Second, can you see the second? Can you see the second? In the place of /n, I kept /t. What is the /t? I think in the same line, some gap. In the same line, some gap. Can you see this? In same line, some gap. Tab space. Second printf is same line, tab space. Right? That is also okay. That is also okay. That is also okay. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Sir, how is ID came? Himanshi Sharma saying that how is ID came in the previous problem. In the previous problem, we'll see now. So let's complete this. Let's complete this. Now, I think tab also everyone comfortable. Same line. If you want next line /n, if you want the same lines space tab, that is also okay. Now let's go to third one. Let's go to third one. Let's go to third one. Exam prep tool /t Python. So if you see the next one, what is the next one we discussed? So new line we done, horizontal line also we done. Carries written. What the carries returns will do is, right? So I think anyhow I can show to you. I can show to you. See, exam prep tool is the first keyword. Second keyword is Python. But if I write here, see the fourth one. /r. What will happen is, let's check. If you do /r, what will happen is, please listen. So in the same line only, in the fourth line only printf will happen, right? It will return back. After printing exam prep tool, After printing exam prep tool, cursor will be there. Let us assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let us 10 characters or 12 characters. After printing 12 characters, right, that cursor, after printing 12 characters, that cursor will be there at the almost like 13th character. But when you say /r, it will come back to first place. It will again come back to first place. From there, first E replaced by P. X will be replaced by Y. So like that. I'm thinking it will come back, right? Return, right? Carries return. So cursor will come back after printing this one. Cursor will come back from starting again will print Python. Can you see output anyhow? I'm thinking like that. Maybe my thinking may be wrong also. Can you see this? Can you see the fourth one? See, fourth one. So you started printing, see this one. Printing started from here. You printed all the people you printed all the people. When you say /r, it will come back from starting, it will print again Python. So that is the reason 4 you lost. You lost 4, right? You lost E also, right? I think, see, prep tool only available, remaining all carries return. It came back, it printed Python. I feel everyone is okay. That is the meaning of carries return. That is the meaning of carries return. See, fourth one, 4 also missing, because it returned back after printing something, after printing until here. After printing until here, it returned back. From starting, it is printed Python. So 4 gone, E gone, X gone, A gone, M gone. So Python contains 6 characters. Python contains 6 characters. 6 characters are replaced. It came back, first 6 characters are replaced. First 6 characters are replaced. So what is the first character? 4 replaced. What are the next, right? What is the next one? See, gap is there. Between 4 and the exam prep tool, there is a gap. So 4 replaced, that gap also replaced, followed by exam also replaced. Totally 6 characters are replaced. Total 6 characters are replaced. Please be careful. Right? I'm thinking everyone is comfortable here. I'm thinking everyone is comfortable. Everyone is comfortable. Yeah, 4 space and exam. Exactly. Right, now let's see the one more. So backslash. What backslash will do? So do you want to know what backslash will do? Just do this one time. Normally we don't use, that is the reason we will forget it. Normally we don't do, that is the reason, alright, we will forget. /b. So I think some space. I feel some space. Let's see. Let's observe. What is that? See this one. Exam prep tool. See this one. Exam prep tool. L is there. L is gone. I think one tab came back. See, one tab came back. So it is printed everything printed because of backslash. Right? One position came back. L. Replaced by Python. That's what. Backslash. Right? Backslash means one position back. In the keyboard also same. When you say backslash, one position back you will go. In the keyboard also, right? I think there is a backslash button. Right? When you click backslash, one position, right? Previous element will be deleted. Same thing here. L is deleted. From there onwards, Python will be there. One position went back. So this, see, /r will goes to starting itself. Starting onwards, replacing will be done. But /b, one position back. It will go this position. So it is here. When you see /b, it will come back one position back. From there onwards, it is printed. Backslash. Remember, on the keyboard also same backslash. On the keyboard also same backslash you will find out. Same. Purpose is same. Yeah, that's perfect. Now let's move to backslash also run. Form feed. What is a form feed? Even I don't know. Let's see. Form feed. Because we don't use, we may forget it. /f. What exactly it will do? You can guess. These are not required also, but it will take less time. Let me execute so that I also will get to know. Form feed. See this. So second printf. So let me give printf as 6. See what is happening. No one will ask you for your convenience. Exam prep tool, Python. See this one. What is the sixth one is printing? Can you see once? What is the sixth one printing? Can you see once? So 6 exam prep tool. See, when you want to print the output in the nice way, these all will be useful. When you want to print on the screen nice way, these all will be useful. Right? So see this one. See the sixth printf. 6 will be printed. Exam prep tool will be printed because of /f. Form feed. Because of /f, what happened is exactly wherever cursor is there, same place it will be there in the next line. Wherever cursor is there, right? After seeing the /f, wherever cursor is there, assume line number 15 it is there. It will go to line number 16 in the same column. Row number 15 there, column number 20. Row number 15, column number 20. But by saying /f, it will go to row number 16, column 20 only. From there it will print. That is the meaning of form feed. So that is the observation. Right? You check one time. And next one, vertical tab. If you want to print all of them in the vertical way. If you want to print all things, right? Let's see. Instead of talking, let's see once. 7th one. /v. Observe what will going to be happening. Not that much important. Just have a look one time. Have a look one time. See what is happening. 7th one. Can you see the 7th one? What exactly happening? What exactly happening? So vertical. I think form feed and vertical looks like similar. If you want to know difference, Python programming. Just see the difference maybe here. And now run it. So this is the 7th one. See, 7th one. Exam prep tool, Python programming. 7th one. What is the 6th one? Can you check? What is the 6th one? It also looks similar. It's a funny kind. We verify one time. Verify one time. What is the difference between them? Form feed and vertical. Form feed and vertical. What is the difference? You just Google it out. You will find out. Right? Fine. These are right. Printing output purpose. Printing output purpose. Printing output purpose. Next page. Next page. Move to next page. You want to say move to next page. Something like that. It is vertical. Next line it will go. Next line. From the same column. From same column. Next row printed. And next row. It is really not required. It is really not required. Only for your convenience I done once. Right? So this one. Move to next page. Move to next page. Form feed means it's printing purpose it will be used. Printing purpose. Normally we don't use at all. Printing purpose. For printers normally they will use. Printing purpose. Move to next page. Next page. Move to next page. Because of there is no next page here. There is no next page here. It is showing same. Move to next page. It's almost like next page. 6th one is I think it will be printed in the next page. It will be printed in the next page. It will be printed. Right? First page it will be printed. Next page it will be printed. Next page it will be printed. But here it is a vertical direction, right? First row it will be printed from the same column. Second row will be printed from the same column. Third row will be printed. It is the next page. It is the next page. But anyhow, this is more than enough. This is more than enough. This is more than enough. Move to next page. Vertical tab is from same column, and the next row. Same column, next row. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. These are not important. These are not important, but it's better to know. Let's go to next tuple. Let's go to next tuple. In the next class, we'll see the tuple. In the next class, we'll see the tuple. In the next class, we'll see the tuple. Okay, fine. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. I think time. I think still we have time, right? I think still we have time. Still we have time, so we can go few problems on the tuple, right? Few problems on the tuple we can go. Remember, tuple related to, because we have still time until 8 o'clock. See this one. Tuple related to immutable. It's a very important point. It is immutable. And one more thing, it is something related to database, SQL and all. It is something tuple keyword is something related to database like SQL database. Because of it is related to database, na. So we don't want to allow changes. We don't want to allow changes. SQL database. So that is the reason it is immutable. That is the reason it is immutable. When you try to change, when you try to update, it will give error. Most of the time it will give error. Try to update. Error will come mostly. Be careful. Tuple, it is related to SQL database. That is the reason. That is the reason. Try to update mostly error. Updation not allowed. Because of it is related to database, updation not allowed. Updation not allowed. Remember, this one and previous one no relation. This one and previous one no relation. Comfortably you can follow tuple. Comfortably you can follow tuple. It's immutable. And one more thing is SQL database. This keyword you will see tuple. So because of that, it is related to database, means security. Database means secure. Database means secure, right? That is the reason updation is not allowed. Mostly updation. It's better to write mostly. Mostly updation is not allowed. Try to update. Mostly you will get error. Right now, one example I will give. How tuple look like. How tuple look like. See, tuple T goes to like this. Tuple T goes to like this. Right? And one more thing. It may be T1, T2. Tuple like this. Like list only. List means square bracket. Tuple means function bracket. This is the way how tuples look. It is empty tuple. Right? Fine. Now what I will do is I will give some examples. I'm giving some examples. Just listen. Just wait few minutes. I'm giving some examples. Tuple will be represented with the function bracket. Be careful. Function bracket. So I given some examples. See the one more example. Here you may get some clarity. In this problem, you may get some clarity. Right, let's start. L1 is equal to, see the L1 is equal to tuple bracket 1, 2, comma 13, means you can give anything inside. 3.2, float also you can give. 11 also. This is a tuple. One tuple I given. Simply bracket. Give function bracket, it will become a tuple. Give square bracket, it will become a list. Right? So tuple, I think if you want, you can write T1 also. No objection. T1. This is. Next one, let me write. T2 is equal to T1. T2 is equal to T1. Just write on the copy. Just write on the copy. Be careful. Write on the copy. Exact copy. Because of data is same. Because of data is same. Right? Because of data is same. We understand. Because of data is same, I think in my opinion, both will print same address also. Right? If you want, you can execute. T2 is equal to T1. Next one, let's see. Print 1. Print 1. Print 1 T1. Print 2 T2. That's okay. Next one. Print ID of T1 address. Print ID of T2. Print careful this also. Print T1 of 0. Print T2 of 2. Yeah, we'll go one by one. We will see the output. We'll go one by one. We'll see the output. Can you see this one? T1, T2 same because of same data. So in the Python and the other programming language, this is the difference. In Python, in other programming language, it is the difference. In other programming languages, if you say T2 is equal to T1, they will create blindly one more copy for T2. But here it is not like that. It will check, is it already available? Yes, they will give the same memory. They will give the same memory. This is the only difference. In other programming language, blindly they will create. Here they will check, is it already there? Yes, they will. I think both will point to same address. Assume that T1 address is 1000, T2 address also 1000. Both are 1000. Now come to print 1 T1. What is the answer? Same thing will be printed. Okay. Let's go to print T2. Same thing will be printed. Okay, fine. So these are all done. Let's go to next. T1 of 0. Everyone know it is the 0th person, it is the first person, second person, third person, fourth person. Right? T1 of 0. So 1 will be printed. T2 of 2. I think 13 will be printed. Hope so. You got it. Nothing, yeah. Tuple also same, list also same, dictionary also same. Minor changes are there. Every one purpose is different. It is immutable. When you update, some errors will come. We'll see that also. It is immutable. It is something related to SQL database, right? So if you try to change something, right? Mostly updation not allowed. Mostly if you try to update, error may come. We'll see anyhow that also. And one more, some people are asking, tuple means function bracket, no? Then why you use square bracket? To access the elements. To access the elements of tuple, to access the elements of dictionary, to access the elements of string, to access the elements of list. Accessing element, always square bracket. Accessing element, always square bracket. So I will go and I will show that example also, which will give more clarity to you. Right? I will go and give the one example also, where all the people are how they are behaving. Right? You can see one time. This is going to be very interesting problem. So let's check this also. It will take 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me type it. Be careful, everyone. So string s is equal to String S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, that is a string. And one more, list L is equal to 1, right? List L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next one, tuple T is equal to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, that is also okay. Dictionary D goes to, just I want to give this example to you so that you will get the clarity. 11 colon 12 comma 13 colon 14 comma 15 colon 16 comma 17 colon 18. So like this. Now you can see printing of all people. See this, print 1 S of 2. Check once. See, it is a string. S is a string. How to access? Square bracket. Let's check any syntax problem. So see, square bracket. Now same thing I will do. Accessing element, right? Every time square bracket. Accessing element every time square bracket. Accessing element every time square bracket for every person. Some are editable, some are not editable. This is the only difference. Some are editable, some are not editable. S over, let's go to L. Let's go to L is over, let's go to T. Right? Let's go to dictionary D. Everyone, remember, string means double quotes or single quote. List means square bracket. Tuple means, right, function bracket. Dictionary means curly bracket. But while accessing elements, everyone is square bracket. Let's check if any error is there. We'll see. I think fourth one having some issue. Let's see where the mistake is happened. D of 2 not there. That is the reason. So let me try. D of 13. Key 2 not there. That is the reason error came. Now see. So remember from this example, every data structure, to access the data, square bracket. To access the data, square bracket. But when you are keeping list, square bracket. Tuple, function bracket. Dictionary, curly bracket. Accessing data, square bracket. So try to understand this. So I am writing that one. To access data, we will use square bracket in list, dictionary, tuple, string, right, like this. Right, this point also take care. Right, fine. Now let's move to this. Some announcements are there from EPT. In EPT 2026 toppers, if you observe, most of the toppers clear the gate examination in 6 to 12 months. Most of the toppers, they cleared the gate examination in 6 to 12 months. Some people are cleared the gate examination in 6 months, some people are 8 months, some people are 7, some people are 9 months, some people are 10, some people are 11, some people are 12. What I mean to say is, most of the EPT toppers clear the gate examination in 6 to 12 months. Very much possible. If anyone thinking, can I crack or not? Very much possible. I'm saying to all the people, it's a very much possible. Most of the toppers and most of the people are first time only. Most of 90% of the topper first time they attempted, they got the rank. If you think that GATE exam 3 years required, GATE exam 2 years required, GATE exam 1 year required, so remember 1 year is more than enough. If you try properly, 1 year more than enough. See, so many toppers we got this year. We got so many toppers. 12th rank, 5th rank, 7th rank, 12th rank, 16th rank, 23, 29. We got so many ranks. And one more thing is, see, he is the third year person. He is a third year person. He is the third year person. He is the third year person. He is the third year person. And the first attempt itself they got. Most of the EPT toppers are first attempt people. First attempt only will get this. That is the reason why we kept exam prep tool. Exam prep tool purpose is in the first attempt itself. I want to make sure students will get the rank in the first attempt itself. He also. First attempt itself, I want to see this person also. Tarun also. Mahendra also. Most of the EPT toppers are first attempt. If you attempt, you are getting the rank. So we'll train like that. But however, credit will goes to student only. Student only done this. Student only done. Most of the EPT toppers are first time people only. 6 to 12 months only. That is what the exam prep tool special. Exam prep tool special is that only. She is also 6 to 12 months. I think she said to me 6 months only. So if you see the right 29th ranker, Shubham is almost done 8 months. Shubham 8 months. He is almost done. Right? 5 months. He is almost done 5 months. So I want to say, most of the EPT toppers are first attempt itself they got. 6 to 12 months. That is the speciality of is also first time. Most of the toppers. I asked everyone how much time you are taken. Everyone said that. 6 to 12 months enough. 6 to 12 months are enough. I request everyone, if you try properly, you will also be there in the toppers list. For one of the university, we give in the right coaching classes training. So many people from the same classroom, so many people got top ranks. For one of the coaching center, so recently they done the rankers felicitation ceremony also. So we are very happy. That university name is RGUKT. That is RGUKT. It's a very good university, right? So many people from same batch, many people got the gate rank. Many people got the gate rank from same batch. We trained, right? Whatever we trained, half of the people became successful. Next one, right? There is a new batch number 10 started. 2 days back, batch number 10 started. This is the code. You can use this code. Batch number 10 started. You can use this code. You will get a 70% discount. Batch number 10. Right. So live plus recorded sessions will be there. All the classes are English only. And right, faculty, myself and experienced faculty and rankers also. Some rankers are faculty, right? And one more experienced faculty. Right, all the combination of all. Everything we will provide. Doubt solving is there, and if you select to any interview, we will conduct the mock interviews. Right, just inform us. We'll conduct the mock interviews. This is myself. 18 years onwards, I am guiding the students. Uma Maheshwar sir, 20 years. Dheeraj sir, 15 years. Abhinav, AIR1. Sachin sir, 10 years experience. Shilpa madam. Right, so she is having 5 years experience. Nidhi madam, she is having 5 years. Deadlock sir, who is having 150 rank and IIT Bombay alumni. Right, next one is Subham sir and Nidhi madam, 3 years of experience. It's a combination of experienced people and rankers. It's the best team to guide you. Why rankers are teaching is I want to make my students also rankers. Why experienced, right? Experienced faculty knows what questions will come, what questions will not come. Shortcuts, all the shortcuts. Experienced people will say shortcuts. Experienced faculty will say which area you have to study, which area you have to not study. Rankers will give all the ranker strategies. So C programming is free and it is in the YouTube, you can check. Python programming also free, it is there in the YouTube, you verify. So you can join whatever course you want. Whatever course you want, you can join. Now every Saturday there is a mentorship session. We are going to give next week target. We are going to give next month target. Every weekend we will track you. EPT student, every weekend we will track you. We will give target, we will give monthly target, weekly target. These are the free resources you can use. They are available on the website. So, right, EPT lectures all are in English only, recorded in live, and daily quizzes are also there, doubt solving is there, PYQs also there, mentorship also there, right, proper structured course. So we'll concentrate on gate and placements also. These are our placement people. So these are the placement courses: DSA course, DSA plus system design course, DSA Super 30, Super 50, Super 300, Super 600. Whatever you want, you can join. Yeah. See you in the tomorrow's class.